What's good, GLP-1 fam? Have you ever had to mix your own peptides? Well, that's what I'm about to do today. You heard me? So, yeah, I got my Tirzepatide from acpeptides, and I'm about to mix my Tirzepatide. Okay? You are in the right place at the right time. Okay, so my Tirzepatide and my backwater is in here. This is 10 milligrams of Tirzepatide from acpeptides. And I got my 2 mLs of backwater. And that is what you want to use when you are mixing, okay? Backwater. Because you don't want nothing growing in your medication. So I got these disposable insulin needles from Amazon. I'm going to get one. They are 100 units or 1 ml. If we're using the measurement, we'd say 1 ml. You can peel it, but I ain't feel like it. Okay. See how it says 100 units? I hope I can see that right here. 100 units. So I'm just showing y'all that. And then my hands are already clean. Okay. I sanitized my hands already. So here's the backwater. We want to pop the cap off of this first. There we go. Okay. Let's talk about measurements. So as far as measurements go, since I have the 10 milligram vial of Tirzepatide, I am on 5 milligrams as far as my dose goes right now. So what I will need to do is I will need 1 ml, which is 100 units of backwater. Here, my backwater. And I will take my backwater and then put the backwater in here into my Zepbound. The acpeptides has a bunch of different peptides. They even have semaglutide, which I started off on with semaglutide. I was with MD then. So both of those are off. This is a long needle, but I actually been using these also to do my injections, and it's very, very nice. It's just a little teeny poke. Because I thought I just had to have short needles, and that's not really the case. Once you know what you're doing, you're good, you know? So what I need to do is pull back to 100 units so we can put the air into the vial. I'm going to take this alcohol pad first. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off. I'm going to wipe off both of my vials. Okay. Vial is clean. Now that the vial is clean, we're going to take this and insert air into the vial of the backwater. Okay. Turn it upside down like that. And see how I'm barely pulling on it and it's coming down. It's coming down kind of by itself because I put that air in there. You see that? And you can kind of control it with your fingers to make sure it's not going too fast. See that? We have arrived. We have arrived at our destination. Go ahead, take that out. We got our 100 units. And we're going to take our Tirzepatide vial and insert this right in the middle. And I'm holding on to it because it will flow. It's like trying to pull. So let me put it like this so you can see. But it's going in there. Just let it run off to the sides so that you don't power wash your peptides, okay? Good and slow. Okay. Pull that out. Place the cap back on. And I have a little sharps container. I'm going to drop this in just a moment. But I had 2 ml just to make sure I had enough. I actually have enough for when I order my next vial. As long as it's probably within 30 days, it should be fine as long as it's kept in the fridge. We're going to take our Tirzepatide, and it has the backwater in it. Gently, just roll your boat. Roll your boat gently down the street. Yo, I'm so giddy today. Let me not get too mix happy because we don't want to shake this baby up. But that's how you mix, okay? I do my injection tomorrow, okay? So I am on the 5 milligram dose of Tirzepatide. So I will be hollering at y'all tomorrow, but I hope y'all found this helpful. So we've already reconstituted our Tirzepatide. So let me go ahead and go over the measurements again, just for anybody who missed it, didn't understand. Okay, so I got a 10 of Tirzepatide, right? So because my dose is 5 milligrams, okay, I take that and divide it, okay? And that gives me 2 doses. So that will be my dose for tomorrow and my dose for next Sunday. Because 5 goes into 10 2 times. You heard me? Okay. And then 1 ml, as far as the units of backwater into the vial, that's 100 units. 100 units is 1 ml. So if you take the 2 doses and divide that by the 100 units, you get 50 units. And so that is how much I will inject, is 50 units. So 50 units tomorrow and 50 units the following Sunday. And that will equal a total of 100 units. Does that make sense? You see, I got my little, got my little note. But yeah, my GLP-1 bestie, she really helped me out with that, helped me understand. So yeah, once you get it, there are calculators online that you can use as well. So don't fret, don't even trip. Because I was freaking out. I ain't even gonna lie, I was freaking out at first. But yeah, so I've been getting my Tirzepatide through acpeptides. And so you can check out acpeptides. Acpeptides does have a TikTok page that you can go and follow. So do that. And I hope y'all found this video helpful for anyone that is on a GLP-1 weight loss journey or considering starting a GLP-1 weight loss journey. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I have a little container. If y'all ever seen me do my injections, I have videos on TikTok on my page doing my injections, and you can see the little clear container. It's a little clear plastic container. It's like little like this. I keep that in the fridge, and inside of that is where my Tirzepatide goes. So it's kept cold. Once it's reconstituted, it does need to be kept cold. It could be at room temperature in like a safe, dry place, like a drawer or something like that, until you mix it. But once you mix it, you need to make sure you store it in the fridge. Some people say they do the freezer. I've never done the freezer for mine, but I always do the fridge, and that works out great for me. So I just wanted to tell y'all that. Mixing peptides can be a little intimidating. Trust me, I get it. I know. But you got this. You got this. Like I say, it's online calculators and all that out there to help you out. And every little chance I get, I try to help in the best way possible. Now, I'm a mental health professional, but I am not a medical professional, even though I did get my start in healthcare. Before even getting into mental health, I was in healthcare. I was a neonatal care technician for little premature babies. And I did that in medical assistant. I actually went to school for front and back office medical assistant as well. So that was long before I even got into mental health counseling, anything mental health, any type of psychosocial rehabilitation, any of that stuff, that PSR and all that stuff I did. But yeah, I try to help y'all the best way that I can, but don't be scared. See, I got it. I ain't never scared. So happy losing, y'all. We got this. All right. I'll catch y'all later.